An APC chieftain from Chukwu in Agwata local government area, architect Chukwuka Okonkwo, has defected to the All Progressives Grand Alliance APGA from the All Progressives Congress APC. Architect Okonkwo made this known in his hometown, Chukwu, amidst cheers from APGA members and other stakeholders in the area. Correspondent Chibuzo Okoye completes the story.
Then, architect Okonkwo said that he joined the party because of the numerous developmental strides of Governor Chukwuka that have changed the socio-economic landscape of the state. He maintained that Governor Soludo's sterling performance was what endeared him to the party and revealed that he won Chukwu ward with the All Progressives Congress in the last governorship election, promising to do the same with APGA.
If I be today, I join Yes. Because we found out now. Yes. And now, Baruli, if I name Obodo Onyozo, I look at the Bayana Swiss or Nada Ghana. I know what it takes to deliver every part in Chukwu.
Earlier, the APGA World Chairman in Chukwu, Mr. John Kennedy Okeke, said that APGA is the best party in Nigeria and explained that they welcome architect Okonkwo wholeheartedly and promised that they will work with the new entrant to ensure that the good works of Governor Soludo is showcased in all the nooks and crannies of the state.
One of
the stakeholders of the party in the area, Mr. Izundu Daniel, described architect Okonkwo as a grassroots man that has what it takes to move the party forward and assured him that APGA will carry him along in everything they do.
Architect Williams Okonkwo Chukwuka, a household name, and is a very wonderful entrepreneur, stakeholder, Noka.
Architect Okonkwo during the event promised to pay 1 year office rent of the party as they complained that they have no official party office in the community. Decoration of architect Okonkwo with APGA clothes as well as issuance of the party card among others formed the highlights of the event. From Chukwu in Agwata local government area, this is Chibuzo Okoye for ABS News.